How to Download All Your Snapchat Memories at Once 2026 Easy Tutorial. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Snapchat guides. If you want to download all your Snapchat memories at once, here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Snapchat and go to Settings. Open Snapchat on your phone, tap your profile icon, then tap the Settings gear in the top right corner. Step 2. Find My Data, scroll down, and tap My Data under the Privacy section. Snapchat may ask you to log in again to verify your account. Step 3. Request your data. On the My Data page, scroll and select Memories, or All Data if you want. Then tap Submit Request. Snapchat will prepare your data for download. Step 4. Wait for Snapchat to process. You'll receive an email from Snapchat once your data is ready. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the size of your memories. Step 5. Download your memories. Open the email, click the download link, and follow the instructions. You'll get a zip file containing all your Snapchat memories, including photos, videos, and stories. Pro tip: make sure you have enough storage on your device and use a stable internet connection for large files. That's it! Now you know how to download all your Snapchat memories at once. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment below "Downloaded."